Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro with .SRT Subtitles for YouTube step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import the video file you want to add subtitles to. Right-click in the project panel and select Import. Locate your .SRT subtitle file and click Open. Drag the video file to the timeline. Drag the .SRT file to the timeline, placing it above your video layer. Make sure the .SRT file aligns with the video clips in the timeline. Select the subtitle layer in the timeline. Go to the window menu and select Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can adjust the style of your subtitles. Choose the font, size, color, and position according to your preference. Play the video in the program monitor to review the subtitles. Make adjustments to timing if needed by dragging the edges of the .SRT clips. Once satisfied with the subtitles, go to File in the menu. Select Export and then Media. Choose your desired export settings. Make sure the render at maximum depth and use previews options are unchecked for the best quality. In the export settings, check the Captions tab. Select Embed in Output Video or Create Sidecar File based on your preference. Click on Export to render your video with subtitles. Wait for the export process to complete. Once finished, locate your exported video file. Upload the video to your YouTube channel, ensuring that subtitles are enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.